Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left. So we have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that negative number 3 next to y, that is for integrating factor. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative 3x. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we simplify. Now we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have ye to the power of negative 3x. This one we have for side x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.